Okay guys, so here you have the next important question from Maths 1b, where find the locus of third vertex of right angled triangle. The ends of hypotenuse are 4, 0 and 0, 4 guys. They have given the ends of the vertices, ends of the points. So they have given two vertices points where 4, 0 and 0, 4, and find the locus of third vertex. So before going to this, let us first write down, draw the right angled triangle. We know right angled triangle, right? Where a right angled triangle some kind of looks like this. At one angle of this given triangle is 90 degrees, I mean right angled. And guys, here where this will be the point A or A vertex, second vertex, where this will, let this be point P, so let this be the third vertex. As in the given question they have mentioned, find the locus of third vertex, so they are asked to find the locus of the third vertex. So this will be the third vertex guys. So firstly, this will be the third vertex, mean right angle, the angle which has been right angled at P point, right? So where P will be the locus of this given triangle. Clear? P will be what? Locus of this given triangle. So guys, here they have given A, BP will be the triangle, right angle triangle is ABP. Clear? Are you getting it? And here where right angled at P, where right angle means 90 degrees. Where the angle which is having 90 degrees is known as right angled triangle. Right angle. Now the ends of hypotenuse are. So they have given two vertices where 4, 0 and 0, 4. Let A be 4, 0 and B be 0, 4. Clear? Let A point be 4, 0, B point be 0, 4. Now, as we know, they have mentioned the hypotenuse. We know that where AP square, side square plus side square is equals to hypotenuse. Right? We know this. So where here the sides are, AP is one side and BP is the second side. Clear? AP is first side and BP is the second side. Where side square plus side square is equals to what? Hypotenuse square. Okay, hypotenuse square. So here where AP AP square, okay, or let it be okay, AP square plus PB square is equals AB square. Clear? Okay, where AB square or PA square, I would like to write PA square. Okay? Where PA square plus PB square is equals AB square, we know this. So by using this, we are going to solve this given question. Okay? So here let me write down the values of three vertex. Okay, let us write down the values of three vertex. Three vertex where A vertex will be, A vertex values are 4, 0. B vertex values are 0, 4. P values are, let us consider, as we don't know the P values, so let us consider the P values as x, y. Okay, let us consider P values as x, y. So here, now we should find the distance between 2 points. We should find what? Distance between 2 points. But how can we find distance between 2 points? We will be having a formula for this. The way the formula is where distance. So I am just considering d as distance, where distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, where distance d is equals root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We all know the points. We got the points where A points, I mean A vertex or A points, B vertex or B points, and P vertex, we got all the points. Now it's nothing but substitute these values, these value points in this given formula. So firstly here you are having PA square. So according to this given one, according to this given formula or as identity, we should substitute the values, these values into this one. Okay, these values into PA square plus PB square is equals to AB square in this one. Now here PA square. So firstly, it's nothing but finding out the distance between PA. Finding out the distance between P point. So this is the P point, right? P point and A point. How do you find where P are x, y, right? So how do you find distance between? How do you find distance between P and A? So just make a look, okay, here where consider this as x2. Let's consider this as x2. Let this be x1, y1. Let this be x2, y2. Sorry. Okay. Let this be x1, y1. A points will let A point be x1, y1 and P point be x2, y2. Clear? Let's consider this as x1, y1. This as x2, y2. So here x2 minus x1 whole square, as we know the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. So let me firstly add root of x2. x2 means x, right? Minus x1 means 4. 4 whole square plus y2 means y minus 0 whole square. Clear? Guys, here just make a look over here. They already have given PA square. They mentioned what? PA square. So I am just going to make a whole square for this given one. PA square, right? So that's what I have made a whole square. Where square root gets cancelled. So that's why I am just going to write square root gets cancelled. So that's why just I am going to write x minus 4 whole square. Okay. Clear? So that's what I am going to write as x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Clear? A square. Okay. Plus. Let's go for PB. We are done with PA. We are done with PA square. Now let's go with PB. Where P values are x2. Let this be x1, y1. Okay. BB, let this be x1, let this be y1. x1 value and y1 value for this given one. Where P is x2, B is x1, I mean 0 is x1. So let me write down as x minus 0 whole square plus this will be y minus 4 whole square, which is equals to a into b whole square. So guys, here I haven't written root because where square root gets cancelled, so that's what I have not written square over pb square. Okay, where this is equals to ab square. A is, so guys, what you do is let a be x1 y1, b be x2 y2. Let's consider a as x1 y1 and b as x2 y2. Clear? Are you getting it? I will show you with this other one. So let this be x1 y1, guys. Let this be x2 y2. Okay, so this is the x2 y2 value, this is x1 y1 value. So here x2 value is 0. So what would I do? I would like to write just as x2 is 0 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Clear till here? Now guys, here nothing but to solve this given whole equation. Okay, if you solve the whole equation, we will be getting a very, the simplified equation. Now, okay, let me. So here, x minus 4 whole square, this becomes what? Well, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square. So I will be writing the a minus b whole square formula, as we know. A minus b whole square is equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? A minus b whole square formula is a square minus b square minus 2ab. So by using this formula, what would we do is here x minus 4 whole square, this gives x square, a square plus, right, plus b square means 4 square. 4 square is 16. So minus 2 into 4, 2ab, right? So 2 into 4 into x. This gives what? 8x. Clear? Plus, okay, 8x plus, so here a minus b whole square. This gives what? Y square, because a square means y square plus 0 square is 0. Where 2 into 0 gives 0, so that's what? Let us just add y square, where y square is the only element that we get while doing this, what we call, while doing that formula. Plus here, where x minus 0 whole square, where this becomes x square, as we have done the same process over here. Plus here y minus 4 whole square, this reminds me of a square, again this is the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So y square plus 16 minus 2. 2 into this gives 8y. Clear? Clear? How do I got 8y? Where 2 into 4 8. 8 into y 8y. Okay guys. Now what would we do is here this is equals 0 minus 4 whole square, where minus 4 whole square guys. What would be the value? Minus 4 whole square value? 16. Okay, minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus plus. So that's what? Minus 4 whole square is 16. So 16. Okay. Just remember, don't apply a minus b square, a minus b whole square formula over here, as we haven't got any x or y variables in this one. Okay, when these are easily solved, right? Why should we add variables, or why should we use this formula, right? So most of them get confused over here. So just remember, don't apply this formula over here, because it's very simple thing that is going on. So you can easily solve this. Okay. Plus here 4 minus 0 whole square, where 4 square, just go for whole 4 square. 4 square is what? 16. Clear? Now guys, here just look off the LHS side and RHS side. So 16 gets cancelled, 16 gets cancelled over here, 16 gets cancelled, 16 gets cancelled over here. So how do I cancel mean? If I transpose this 16 to the other side, this becomes minus 16. So plus 16 minus 16, what happens? Cancels. So that's what I have cancelled over here. Clear? So 16 gets cancelled, 16 gets cancelled over here. Next, what else? What else? Nothing is going to cancel. So just add over here, where here you have x square. Okay, x square, this becomes what? 2x square. 2x square. Clear? X plus 1, x plus x, 2x. So that's what? X square plus x square. This gives 2x square plus, here you have y square plus y square. This becomes 2y square. So we already have written all these values, right? So just try to cross this, because we are done with these values. If you have, then you will write it. So this becomes where a2x square plus 2y square, where minus 8x minus 8y. So as it is, minus 8x minus 8y. Let this be equals to 0. Or let it be that this is the equation that we got, right? So let it be. Now here you have got 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 8y. This is the equation. Now guys, if you look closely, we can take 2 as common, right? Where 2 is the multiple of 2 and 8 is also multiple of 2. So 2 into x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. This is the given equation, where okay, this is the given equation, which is equals 0. Okay, this is also equals 0. So if you transpose this plus 2 to the other side, this becomes 0 by 2, which is always 0. So therefore the given equation, the equation that we got, or the equation of locus, so yeah, they are going to find the locus. So the equation of locus, the locus equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y, which is equals 0 is the equation, guys. Clear? Thank you.